On this assignment, we're going to work in Google Docs with formatting text. The directions are as follows. For each row, you need to follow over here what change to make. Up at the top are where you will make your changes. If you hold your mouse on a button, it'll tell you what it is. Bold, italic, underline, text color, highlight color, over to here. Alignment, a numbered list, and a bulleted list. Way to the left, we have our font type, or the name of the font, and the font size, how big the letters are. To start, this is the first word we need to change. Click and drag to highlight the word. This table says I need to make this bold, so I'll come up and click on bold. We've done it. For the next box, blue text color, click and drag, come up to the text color, which one? This one, and change it to blue. I know that you'll be able to tackle the next three on your own. For round 2, these look a little different. Words to change. Technology, I want it to be font type permanent marker. So I need to look for that font type in the list. Click up here, scroll through the alphabetical ordered list, permanent marker. Now the text is changed. For this one, the word is, I want it to be font size 18. The size, drop down right here. Click on 18. Now the words are bigger. This last one wants you to change the font and the size. For the last section, you'll need to highlight an entire sentence. Make this sentence centered on the page. The alignment button has 4 options, and we need this one. The next, make this sentence right justified. Highlight the alignment buttons, and it's this one, way over here. Make this list bulleted, all 4 lines highlighted. Up here to the bulleted button. The arrow next to this button lets you pick what types of bullets. Stars, check boxes, you choose. The last one, give this list numbers for each of the steps. So I highlight all of the words and come over for the numbers. There's also an arrow on this button because you can pick numbers with a period, numbers with a parenthesis. You can also pick letters instead. You see, pick which one you choose. After you've finished these changes, go ahead and turn your assignment in. Thank you.